So a few weeks ago, I was contacted by Seagull 1963 to see if I'd be interested in putting together a video on one of their watches. I've owned a couple of them over the years, and they're excellent chronographs, but lately they've been experimenting with different materials, finishes, dial colors, and even adding lume to some of the models. So I was excited to get one of these new models in hand, and today it has arrived on my doorstep. So quick unboxing and first impressions. I'll eventually do a follow-up video and go into more detail, but for now, let's take a look at the watch. All right, so I ditched the FedEx bag because it was filthy. FedEx needs to do a better job of cleaning their trucks, but while we're getting into this here, a couple of things I just wanted to mention to you guys is one, I recently posted a video on the channel 3 or 4 videos back announcing a giveaway. So there is a giveaway currently happening that you can still enter. I'm going to put a link in the description below for that. A couple of Casio Marlins are up for grabs. I'll be drawing not this coming week, but probably early next week, and I'll post a video on that. Then, well, this thing is certainly well packaged. The other thing, and I'm filming this on a Friday. I was hoping I'd have it now, but I'm going to have to wait until probably Monday now. I bought a watch. Big purchase for me. Very excited. Borderline grail. Not a big fan of the term grail when it comes to watches, but I guess you could call it that. Well, this is about as well a packaged watch as I've seen here. You know what? Give me a second. Let me clean up. Sorry about that. Dust all over the place from the packaging. Does this just pop open? Tears open. Might as well take a look at the packaging here. Seagull 1963. Congratulations on owning a remarkable piece of history, and we will get into the history of this watch in that follow-up video. Here is the inner tin. Some paperwork here. And this is the watch. Now, if you're following along with their releases, this might look a little bit familiar to you, but this is a new size for the bronze loomed version. This is a 40 millimeter. That movement gets me every time. Peel the plastic away. And look at that. This works so good in bronze. Always nice to get a brand new, fresh bronze watch, too. Let's give it a wind. Get this thing running here. Good winding action. I wasn't sure if this was going to be a loomed version or not until just now. I don't have all of the information on this watch quite yet. Pricing, all of that stuff he's going to be sending me here soon. I expect this is going to be somewhere in around the $500 US mark. I think the 38 millimeter version is just under 500 US. Nice snappy action of the pusher. I like the strap. As I'm looking at this, there is a strap that I have that I think is going to work really good with it too. Hardware is signed, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is stainless steel, like a rose gold finished stainless steel to kind of match up with the bronze. Get in for a little closer look at the dial here. Love those hands. Not heat treated blued hands, but painted to mimic the look. We'll get the chronograph going again here. And look at that. Tough to beat that. A movement that looks like that for the price. Beautiful. Really looking forward to getting some time with this. Finish looks good. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. Strap is going to need a little bit of breaking in, but sure that won't take all that long. So yeah, there you go. Keep an eye out for the full video on this watch happening very soon. Again, check out the giveaway. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on more content just like this. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.